प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः।
ॐ ईशानाय नमः। ॐ प्राणदाय नमः। ॐ प्राणाय नमः। ॐ ज्येष्ठाय नमः। ॐ श्रेष्ठाय नमः। ॐ प्रजापतये नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ भूगर्भाय नमः। ॐ माधवाय नमः। ॐ मधुसूदनाय नमः। ईशानः, he who rules over all things in all times and places. Pranadaha, he who gives life. Pranaha, he who is the life of the ever liberated divine beings. Jyeshtaha, he who is highly prized. Shreshtaha, he who is always prized by the ever liberated divine beings. Prajapatihi, he who is the chief of the ever liberated divine beings. Hiranyagarbha, he who resides in Vaikunta, which shines like gold. Bhugarbha, he who holds the earth in his womb and nurtures it. He protects the earth. Madhavaha, he who is the husband of goddess Lakshmi. Madhusudanaha, he who killed the demon Madhu. He is the ruler of all things at all times and in all conditions. He grants life to all beings and is very life force of the eternal celestial beings. He is the most worthy of praise and is continually worshipped by the Nityasuras. He is their supreme lord and dwells in Vaikuntha, which shines like gold. He holds the earth within his womb and sustains it. He is the husband of goddess Lakshmi and the destroyer of the demon Madhu. Those who chant this sloka with devotion receive protection from all kinds of fears. Their lifespan and health improve. Respect and honor increase in their life. Auspicious deeds are successfully accomplished. Enemies stay away, and it is favorable for praying for the well-being of the world.
ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः.
Follow us for next slokas. If you like this, please like and share and comment Om Namo Narayanaya.